is a basic card size. You can see that it's the same size, guys. You want to put it in your wallet, you can place it here, but it's gonna fall off. But you can place it inside here, inside this part. Boom, settle. Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I got myself the SafePal cold wallet. I have to say something to you guys that this thing, it doesn't show how much coins you have. It only shows when you pair it up to your phone. It has an app. It's not portable. It's not like something you can bring along to your friends and like, hey bro, pay up. I want to pay up something with this. No, you have to pair it with your phone. You have to, when you send off something, you have to pair it with the phone. There's no way for you guys to send it right here because this is offline. Okay. There's no way. It's a QR code just for someone to pay you. Then it's possible for you guys to show this. And let's say if you guys from LUNO to transfer XRP here, you have to activate this wallet by paying 20 XRP at least, which is 100 ringgit. And above that is whatever balance you have. And that whatever balance is shown on your phone. But once you want to transfer something from your cold wallet to another person, then it will show up the history of the XRP amount that you actually sent off to, which is nice. It's like a history track. Whenever it goes out, comes in, doesn't show, only goes out at the moment. Okay, that's the screen and the camera, surprisingly, with this form factor, and the price point is only 200 to 229 ringgit out there. And I got this from CryptoBilis. It comes in a nice packaging, and also when the courier sent it to you, it has a sticker here that if it's been tampered with, then you don't use it. So this is a nice way of you guys to learn the cold wallet system rather than paying a premium price like the Nano X. But if you guys want to have the Nano S is enough. But that thing is micro USB, powered only by your computer, and basically you're gonna do like over the air, like an app. Like the one that you can do that is by Bluetooth, with which the Nano X, which is USB Type C also, which is nice. But this one is micro USB. Sadly, it's not USB Type C. I wish it was USB Type C so it can charge faster, but it has a micro USB at the bottom here. It stated there a lot of coins you can put in. Not quite. For the average user, I can see a few coins that I like. Coins that is listed, of course, the basic ones like BTC, ETH, Litecoin, and of course XRP. That's the reason I got this, because of XRP. And the last one I can see there's an update was Matic Polygon. So you have to do a micro USB update. You have to download the upgraded bin from their website and then plug it here and then follow through the instructions, and you can get the update to get your Matic app on your phone. Of course, it would say about it has Matic, but this one doesn't. So you have to download an update just to get Matic inside this. So every time there's a new coin, this thing will update you guys what to do. But those are the featured ones. But the non-featured one, there's a feature on the app to say that if you want to have Solana, this one doesn't have Solana, sadly. So you have to key in yourself stuff, which is a bit not comfortable for those people who just started out with cold wallet. When they ask me all these details about doing another set of address and everything, which is not featured listed on this device and also on the app, phone app. So it's a bit scary for those to create that, and let's say they were to send off a big chunk of money of like Solana inside this cold wallet, and then it will be like, okay, I'm scared of, because what if it's not registered correctly, right? I totally understand. And even though in the app featured list it doesn't show also Solana, so some coins will not show up as you think. But it's for the price for 200 to 220 ringgit, it gets the job done for the main coins that you see normally. ADA and Cardano is not here, which is weird. XLM is here, what the hell. But yeah, and Dogecoin is here also. WTF. And I've seen a lot of videos talking about it, how to transfer and everything. It's quite straightforward. You guys can understand from the app, the phone app. So last but not least, there's 3 securities you have to know about this thing. Of course, the famous 12 to 24 phrases. This box comes with 6 or 8 papers of the 12 to 24 phrases. You have to write it down, whatever displayed on this device. After writing it down, Those phrases are very important. Let's say if you were to wipe out your wallet here or reset, then to retrace back is those 12 to 24 phrases. Then you get back your listing and everything that can be paired up to your phone. So it's quite important to have that 12 phrases. That's one security. So second security is a QR code. A QR code will be displayed on both of these devices. So follow through the instructions to scan this way or this way at first. I forgot because I think it was this one first, then after that this one. There is a step-by-step thing. That's second security. The third security is your PIN code. Whenever you want to do something, there's even showing your history, it has a PIN code for it. You want to do something, it has a PIN code for it, like 6-digit PIN codes. And after that, you want to scan it. Then after pressing the PIN code, then you have to scan it just to have more security on your wallet. So which is nice to have that feature. I already placed this thing after the first charge, place it in a drawer, and it's still at 80% battery left. It wouldn't show percentage, it's just an estimation. I can see the bar chart there. One thing I don't like about this is a very slow boot up and a very slow charging, and it's actually charged with micro USB, which sucks. But I wish the new update S2 maybe it has a USB type C, which I'm going to buy. For the price point of 200 to 20 ringgit, it's super cheap and affordable. You guys can get it from CryptoBilis.com. The link is down below. They close at 10 p.m. basically, but just to save time with the Grab Express, you have to arrange it around before 5 or 6. Depends on you guys. So yeah, call them up. There's a WhatsApp number on their page. If you want them to send it to you, you can get through Shopee. If you guys want to have this on the same day, buy it from the website, click on self-collect, and send a Grab Express to collect it for you, because it's COVID times, right? So yeah, that's how I got this thing in hand on the same day. If you guys are first time using cold wallet, this is a fun way and easier way for you guys to understand the environment of a cold wallet. And this thing has been hot selling, guys, hot selling. I totally recommend SafePal, and I'm not sponsored or anything, it's just my own opinion about this product. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Peace out.
Yo, this is sketchy, yeah, sketchy, everything is sketchy. On them boys acting weird and I know the sketchy. You say you out for some cash, everything be messy. Put some money on your head and you become messy. Number on sight, shoot you on sight.